Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the show, and welcome to our first video. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it a little bit different today, as you can see. Maybe we're gonna do it in the future. We're gonna do it also like this, but that's also a little bit how it goes. If people like it or not, I don't know. Let's see in the future. So yeah, what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna start a new project, and in this project we're gonna unbox it right now. And this project I got it here on my hands, but before I start with this project, I have some other projects on my YouTube channel. There are some links in the description below also, and this is the last project I built. It's the solar system from Roker, and it's a nice one. You can wind it up, and if it works smoothly, everything goes around. And not everything works smoothly right now, but it's okay. Right now it does. So pretty neat. And then there are two parts of it. It's a mini series. It's a mini series collection. So go check them out. And I also have a build from Harry Potter, a Quidditch stadium. So also a pinball stadium, also very nice to watch. But for now, I say I have a project here. It's a nice one. It's a big one. It's a wood one, I think. It's also electrical powered. Also very nice to do. And it's probably one of the biggest marble tracks there is from wood, so also very nice. And it's here, it's already on my hands, and I got it here. It's the WoodTrick marble spiral marble run from WoodTrick, and it's the electrical series, so that means electrical power. It has 558 pieces of wood, so that's good, and it's advanced level, also good, I think, for me, I hope. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unbox it, and then a little bit slow, and afterwards we're gonna do the episodes from time-lapse to time-lapse, and then at the end we have probably a nice view of what's gonna be. So that's what we're gonna do today and for now. And also I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And for now we're gonna unbox this little piece of gear, and then let's see what we got then. And then without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. And I say the music started playing, so what it means. I say let's go, and see you at the end. Bye. Hey everyone, and welcome back after this nice little intro. And as you can see, we're gonna start to unbox this marble track, the spiral marble run from WoodTrick. And as you can see, there are other series too. But for now, we're gonna do the spiral marble run from WoodTrick. So that's what it's gonna be, and it's quite heavy, so that's good. Also, there are 558 pieces of wood. Actually, maybe the other components will count on that, but I don't think so. But for now, we're gonna open it, and the first episodes I did on my YouTube channel, there were actually also a marble track, but if I watch it now back, it's actually really bad. But if you think, hey, I'm gonna watch really bad quality videos, go check them out. They're also still on my YouTube channel. I'm not gonna remove it, so yeah. That's it, and now the box is open. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, what I say, it was quite heavy, and there are lots of pieces of plates of wood. Also, I have a nice little background cover from the world, and I don't think my topographic is perfect, but yeah, I think I can get around. So if you let me know in the comments where you're watching from, then I maybe can show it. I think so. And yeah, here we got it, the box of wood, and after that we get the of course the instruction book, and let's clear it for now and just have a quick look in the instructions. And what we got here, of course, we got the what to say. Oh yeah, we got some do not set it to fire, of course. Well, that will do. caution sharp parts, and then some recommendations. And also we have this little signal emblems, symbols where we can, yeah, we have to take care of. And that's what we're gonna do. Of course, we're gonna take care of it, and then that's it. And I think, oh yeah, there's got the engine, the button, and afterwards we got the battery compartment, and of course we got the marbles. So, very useful, and I think that's it. And let me check this out furthermore. That's going to be a lot of repeatable work, as I see. Well, that's what we're not going to show. We're actually going to show you the real thing. We're going to just show you how we're going to build, not all this sanding and repeatable stuff. That's a little bit boring to my guess. So yeah, let's open this up, and then we can see what's inside. Also, I have a few projects after this project, but if you think, hey, maybe you can try to build this or try to build that, let me know in the comments. So I will definitely put that on my schedule. And for now, I think it's open. Simsalabim. So there we are. And actually, I hope you guys have a good weekend. It's Saturday or Sunday right now. I lost a few days, but it's Sunday now, and it's not the best weather, but we had some good, very good, nice weather days. So yeah, just let me know in the comments what you're doing, and I hope you enjoy this nice weekend. And for now, we got the component boxes, and probably these are the box for the electrical engine and the battery pack. And also we got the metal balls, the marble balls, also not yeah, also very important to my guess. And that's it. We got here the plates, all the plates ready, and that's for now. That's for later. For now, we're gonna check the small little boxes, and then I think we're done for this unboxing. But let's check them out first. So here we got the engine. All right, we got the engine, and we got some. Oh, we got some wax, and we got some sanding paper, and of course the rubber bands, also very handy. We also need them. And here we got the engine. It's also electrical powered, so we got the engine, and then we got the small little uh, wires with the button, and the button works actually pretty fine. Good quality, good quality. So yeah, the rubber band. And then we got the other box. That's gonna be the, oh, that's gonna be the battery pack, and this comes with no batteries, but I have some. Probably I have some. Yes, and there goes 4 batteries, double A, and that's it. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it also for today. This is the unboxing, and then yeah, we got the battery, we got the engine, we got the button, we got the wax, we got the rubber bands, we got sanding paper. I have lots of sanding paper, so that's cool. We got the metal balls, and then we got the wooden plates. We got our instruction book. So we got everything ready. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope you liked this unboxing, a little bit different. And from now we're going back to the time lapse event, and that's what we're gonna do. Here it is. It's a lot of repeatable work, but that's what I'm not gonna bother you about it. So that's what we're gonna do. So without further ado, I say see you in the next one. Bye.